Ow! Okay, ow. I'm trying to get the best lighting because I don't have a tripod. Let me show you what happened to the tripod. By the way, look at this. This was the tripod. Okay, here. Let me show you why she no longer works. Broke. The piece like this. Okay. And now, okay, well, that was the tripod. That's why I don't have one. So, let me show y'all what I'm working on today. Hold on. This is today's project. This. I can't. Like, oh my God. Another pantry is definitely needed in here. Like, this. And it's pretty deep. So, I'm just going to organize like items together, and then I can figure out if more of these is needed or what's gonna help here. So YouTube magic. Okay, so we are a little bit better organized. All like items so he can see what he has in here are together, like literally. All the old bread is gone. Everything that's, again, is alike is here. And I ain't fond of those, but okay. So anyway, working with what I had. This is what I came up with, which is a whole lot better than stuff everywhere. And I guarantee you, these were purchased because he didn't see these. These were purchased because he didn't see that one. I already know it. Quick pantry, clean with me, organization. Very simple, nothing purchased. Okay, let's see what my next project is gonna be. You do know it's not time to eat though. What you doing? Ron, you cheating.
I have never in my life. I said baked beans.
Okay, I'm gonna show you what I cooked tonight. I cooked, honey, okay? This is what he requested, by the way. So I said, what do you want? Chicken, mac and cheese, right? And baked beans. Now, I don't know how else to make baked beans other than hamburger, bell pepper, onion, and the baked beans. Like, he was like, what is this? Like, what? He's never had baked beans ever. So he's like, is this a southern thing? Let me know in the comments down below. How do you make your baked beans? How do you make yours? How do you eat yours?
In the can, in the pot, a little bit of brown sugar.
Really?
A little bit of butter. Done. No meat, no. This is crazy. I can't stop eating.
No, don't do that, because then you're not going to want to eat the whole meal.
This is good. You can bring me over here like, what is that?
You're not supposed to do that, like, for real.
That mac and cheese, but nerves, I can't wait.
He's so cheating, y'all. I haven't cooked for him in a while because I've never cooked here before, actually. I always just cook at the penthouse. But since I'm here,
That's yummy all of my time.
you just got off work and you came home to a meal. How you feel about that?
That's amazing. That's so good. Beans and ground beef.
Yes.
Never had it.
What are you working on?
You got a whole issue
What?
with turning off stuff. You got a whole issue with turning off stuff, so I am doing my little scripting.
So that's got something to do with me?
Yeah. I'm doing my whole little scripting over here.
What does that mean?
So you don't like the lady, lady we talked to. You don't like talking to her for some reason.
Okay.
So I got something else for you.
Oh, what? So I don't have to talk to her?
This is home.
Because I don't like talking to her.
I'm going to set it up. I got this button. On the wall that if you press it, then it's going to do things. So my idea is this. If everything off in here and you press it, It'll turn on your lights. It'll set the scene the way you like it.
Okay.
If everything is on.
Okay.
If anything is on and you press it, it'll turn everything off.
So that ain't got nothing to do with the girl.
No. No, I'm taking
one button and everything is set how I like it over here.
Yep. If everything is off.
The lights, the TV, everything will be just how I like it.
Just like you like it.
And then when I leave out, what?
Just press the button, bloop, turn everything off. Because you don't like turning off nothing.
You know what?
Yeah, you do turn off. You do turn off something.
I'm going to sample these. I'll let y'all know what's good with these. I don't know no other way, y'all. Let me know how you do it. I feel like this was a weird meal request for one. And mac and cheese. Don't worry about this corner over here. I'm not used to this oven. So, I am drinking, I think pineapple soda. Yeah. Yeah.
Your ideal setting, right?
Mm-hmm.
What all do you want on and at what percentages?
At one time? So if I'm watching TV.
I already know the TV, the sound bar. We turn that on.
Okay. And then the lamp set at like 50%.
50%.
Mm-hmm.
You want the bookshelf on or not?
Sometimes I do though. And sometimes.
Okay, so we ain't gonna make that part of it. So you just really all about the lamp and the TV.
Yep.
That's it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because I can still tell her to turn the bookshelf on, right?
Yeah, anything else. No mantle light.
No mantle light. Nope.
Okay. I got you.
Just the lamps. And you doing this through the phone? Through your phone?
Through my phone app, yeah. Through Samsung Smart Thing.
So that's just a smart thing button that has nothing to do with that girl.
The girl is like, so Smart Things is like the hub,
Mm-hmm.
right? That's the central hub.
Mm-hmm.
And then everything else kind of like connect to it. And you can have your phone control the hub. You can have the girl control the hub. You can have a button or a switch control the hub.
Mm-hmm.
You can have a PC. You can have whatever.
Okay.
So she's just a component of the whole thing.
Okay.
But that button, that's going to be your friend and my friend for you. And the motion sensor, right? The motion sensor, I'm going to set it up if the motion doesn't detect motion within like 30 minutes.
Okay, what if I'm on the couch and I'm not moving?
Then you sleep.
No, because are you serious?
Yeah, it'll detect the face. People typically don't stay dead still for about at least,
If I'm watching a good movie, I may not freaking move.
Okay, I make it 45 minutes.
So
if I move within 45 minutes. That thing is.
But
really
I'm saying if I don't, it's just gonna shut everything off in the middle of whatever.
Yeah, cause you sleep. You can sleep. Even it'll pick this up. It'll pick this up. It'll pick.
What'll pick up?
Yeah. So unless you sit there like this, 45 minutes, just watching it. People typically gonna scratch their eyebrow. They gonna rub their nose. They gonna do something. So yeah. So if you ain't doing all that, you sleep, and the TV watching you, and we gonna shut it down.
Okay.
We gonna shut it down.
All right. Okay. Let me finish cooking, y'all. Hold up. Get this out. Look what I found. A tripod. And it was in my bag, by the way. Why am I whispering? Okay. I'm not sure. Crazy person. Good morning. Hopefully you're having a beautiful day. Do you hear that buzzing? It's the lights. Not sure what that's all about, but I hope you are having a great day today with whatever you're doing in your life. Why can't I open this? So, as always, it's going to be a very chilled day for me. Yesterday was kind of busy, but Not really, but kind of sort of busy for me. Let me say that, busy for me. So today is a chill day. Lunchtime. About to go get lunch. I think tacos. Because you know I can eat a taco any day of the week. It doesn't matter to me. Hold up. Let's juice up our lips. I have black hair growing in already on this freaking hair that needs another 2 lifts. But it's okay. It's okay, sis. Let's get this here cup. And go get us something to drink. Let's go get us some drink. Oh. Let me tell y'all. So I'm on the porch, minding my own good business, okay? And it was a wasp, the big fat yellow one's hornet. Not even a wasp, a hornet. Okay. I had some spray out there from a previous almost attack by a bee. Ron and I was on the porch and he took off running and left me. So I had this spray and I'm down on the phone, but I see him in my peripheral and I got that spray and I lit him up. I'm talking up. I thought that was mine, but it's not. It's not. Let's have a seat right here. The backlight is gonna be horrible. Before long, you won't see this light coming through here, which is also a reflection on the TV. It's only this door that's directly behind me. But that is about to go away. So this room is the next one that's gonna get worked on. I feel like this week, I believe. I think this week. I'll bring you guys along the entire process. As you already know, is this dirty here? How about that? How about that? Is that better? A little bit? Okay, yeah. So, I'm about to go grab lunch. Well, we're about to go grab lunch when he gets off for his lunch break. And then I need to go to the penthouse, but I don't feel like driving. I don't feel like driving all the way to the penthouse. I ain't in the mood for it. But I do have to go to the penthouse because I have jury duty if my number is called on Wednesday, which sucks. So I have to go home, get the paper, see what my number is, call them tonight after 5 o'clock to see if I'm on the thing to show up on Wednesday. I do not want to go do jury duty. Okay, Lighten, get back right, honey. Let me bring you down. We don't need as much top above us. I don't want to do jury duty. And I feel like we shouldn't be forced to do jury duty. I just don't. It should be people who like to do jury duty, and they should be the ones who get called, not the people who don't care to do it. I don't care to serve on anybody's jury, for real. And I'm going to try and say everything that's opposite of what you're supposed to say to get out of it. I mean, everything opposite. I'm going to pick the worst answers to get out of jury duty. Like, for real. So hopefully my number won't even get called. Those are my plans for today. Okay, so this room is next. So I'll bring you guys along with that process. Go live on Thursday between, what's my time I gave? It's between 7 and 8 Eastern Standard Time. In case you need to know that. That's Thursday. Fingers crossed. That's my plan, Thursday, live. I don't really have anything else. I showed you guys this in the last video that he finished the bottom part of the bookcase all the way around to over here behind the chair. Actually goes all the way around to over there. No, to over there in the corner. He is just checking off his to-do list stuff, honey. It's not much more he has to do, really, on the honey-do list. Garage is clean. And I think he'll be caught up. He'll be caught up. We're planning a beach trip, which I'll bring you guys along with that. As well. It's actually a family beach trip. I'll bring you along that too. That'll be down in August. So next month. Be on the lookout for that video and anything else that I bring you guys. I'm so glad I found this tripod. Old Faithful. And it ain't even rigged up. It's like a real legit tripod that goes up and down. And it can bend and I can do stuff with it. So I'm about to, this is gonna be a short vlog. Don't kill me. Don't kill me, sis, please. Don't come for me. Please. I'm just, oh God. I'm in the best place you could be in life right now. Let me just say that. I'm in the best place in life you could possibly be. And I want to share everything with you, as I always have and will. It's just been like a stagnated week, really. Like, well, the week just got started. What am I talking about? It's nothing really I need to pop on here other than to just show up and be like, hey, I'm okay, I'm good. For those of you that worry, right? But everything is beautiful. Everything is beautiful. I love you guys so much. Don't kill me for the short vlog. I'll show up probably, I'll keep recording like little clips or whatever, and then whatever I have, I'll just put it in a video. Whether house to home, just me, just him, us together, whatever, just whatever. I'm just clip it together to make a video for you guys. So don't kill me because this one is really, really short. I already know it is. I already know. Just know this is great. Everything is great. Life is great. I hope your life is great. And I will see you in the next video. Even though I ain't shared nothing in this one, but okay. Bye, y'all.